Hi, I'm Amy Stevens. I'm a production supervisor here at Whirlpool in Amana. I've been here 22 years now. I started out in assembly. What's great about Whirlpool is day one you get benefits. You can join up for 401k, you've got dental, all of that you can sign up for day one.
Hi, my name is Tony Melikar. I am a training team leader here at the Whirlpool Amana. I pushed myself and asked as many questions as I possibly could about moving up, where to move up, and within 6 months I became a team leader. You'll never imagine that, you'd be sharing the same kind of conversation or story with someone that grew up on the other side of the world.
We have a very diverse workforce here, so you can learn about other cultures. You can talk to people with different backgrounds.
My name is Leslie Wynn. I work at Whirlpool Amana, and I'm the team leader over here. I'm born in Myanmar, and I work here for 2 years, and the first 2 years I save some money and I start buy a house. And the third year I save some money and buy another car.
I love every day coming to work and impacting people.
When you get 250 people to do the exact thing that needs to be done, and you come up with a refrigerator that is to the highest quality, orchestrating that and bringing that all together is something to be proud of.